This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Snowstorm is heading for Greater Vancouver on Friday, December 20th, 2013. It's going to bring up to 10 plus centimeters of snow. It's going up to 20 plus centimeters of snow and the inland up around Fraser Valley as well. And Greater Vancouver is getting 10 plus centimeters of snow, and roads will be snow covered, and all kinds of streets will be covered with snow in Vancouver, British Columbia on Friday, December 20th, 2013. Roads will be very bad. It's going to be a lot of snow, especially wet snow, that can cause slippery conditions in Greater Vancouver area. Since the temperature is pretty cold now in Vancouver as well. People in Vancouver, be prepared! Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Snowstorm is going to start in Vancouver, British Columbia, especially in the Greater Vancouver area on Thursday, December the 19th, 2013 during evening hours, into Friday, December the 20th, 2013 in the morning hours. Then the snow's going to change over to drizzle and rain on Friday afternoon in Vancouver, British Columbia and Greater Vancouver area. If you're going to do your grocery shopping, don't wait till the last minute. Do it right now. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G and 4G internet ready. Have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, have your snow blowers ready. Because it's going to be a snowstorm in Vancouver, British Columbia, especially in Greater Vancouver area. And will hit Chilliwack, BC as well, in the Fraser Valley. It's going to be a lot of snow heading for Greater Vancouver area on Friday, December the 20th, 2013. Take your time, drive your car, slow down, and don't get in the car accident in Greater Vancouver area, because it's going to be a lot of snow, 10 plus centimeters of snow in Greater Vancouver on Friday, December the 20th, 2013, and 20 plus centimeters of snow in Fraser Valley, up around Chilliwack and Hope, BC. And 10 plus centimeters of snow in Greater Vancouver area. People in Greater Vancouver, be prepared for a snowstorm. Best luck to you. People in Greater Vancouver, be prepared for a snowstorm on Friday, December 20th, 2013. Take care and stay safe. And don't get caught in the snowstorm. Be safe. Especially on Friday morning. And Thursday night, be safe.